to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia came out answering Miss T. She said that Miss T is dropping word on her. And that there's a lot of people that came out and spoke about her and her dress. And she didn't, you know, allegedly answer them, but she's answering to her, Marcia. So Marcia is addressing that situation there. And guys, you would have to go ahead and watch to hear what Marcia has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthday today, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your beautiful year. And for all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my friends, and my subscribers, family, I wish you a wonderful day. And sometimes we will receive messages, we will see people, throw in words that are or shades, and sometimes we just have to leave it alone and let them be. It's not everything that we hear or see that we should answer to. And sometimes we have to let it go. It's our nature as humans to answer because that's how we are made, especially if it's something that touches our soft spot. So we will answer because that's our makeup. That's how we are made. We are made with that. We're made that way, to sometimes be triggered or to have some sort of feelings about something. And so we have to choose the battles that we want to fight or choose what we need to answer to, because sometimes some things are better left unsaid than saying them. So guys, remember to have a beautiful day today, no matter what the situation is, and ensure that we're choosing our battles, saying when we believe it's time for us to say it, leaving the ones unanswered to when we feel it's best. Have yourselves a beautiful day and go check out Marcia as she has her sheets and stuff still selling. You guys will support her. Remember, she's saying now that she lost her job, so go support her. Have a wonderful day.
Yes, so me here and put up some likes, people. Put up some likes. Me if you cook, I'm never cook. Me fall back asleep. Me too tired. I just me say, you know what? Me cook tomorrow. I know me staring in cooking business. Me drop right back asleep. Me did a chat on the phone. And by the time I did a chat on the phone, me not even know when me fall asleep. To tell you the truth. Yes, so as I was saying, come on, paparazzi, me a content become the creator right now. A content become the creator right now. Because me see Dana drop word for me. I never see a drop word for the other rest of people. Me never see a drop word for the other rest of bloggers them that came out for you for your gala. But me realize that me have strength for. Because the reason why I have strength, because me is the biggest competition. Regardless, if me live America for 40 years and don't have nothing. But me I tell you, me I gonna tell you, Dana, you don't need a ladder to climb a coconut tree. You climb a coconut tree and reach up, but when you fall, you get one hell of a ass drop. Boop. So let me tell you about the 40 years I've been here. The 40 years that I've been in America, I had a very good life. Me never have to go in the sun and go walk up and down, go sell no brassiere and a panty, Me never have to sell no fish, no roast breadfruit, no pudding, and no cake. I never had to go clean no office, nothing like that. Not only that, the 40 years that I live in America, it gave me the best life. You understand? I don't have to let man take advantage of me. Not only that, when I reach 65, I have my money to look forward to take care of me until me go in my grave. That if me reach there, so that is what you just come here. You not reached nowhere yet. And you have to go look at job to pay taxes, because YouTube taxes and Facebook taxes is not going to work. So what are you going to culminate it? Because state and federal taxes don't come out of it. So you make sure say all the money that you're saving, that you're getting from YouTube and Facebook, you make sure say you save it up. Because your little black ass, you got to go find a job very soon. You understand? Are you going to pay taxes out of way? So let me tell you something. My ears in America is set and seal. Your own is set and seal it. You just reach here not even a week good. So you have a long blood clot where you go to get up on my 40 years, where me already done do my time and pay my taxes and live here. So while you are in Jamaica, living your hard life, I wasn't living no hard life. Me have what me have. Me live in a one country that I grew up and I have a fabulous life living here. Me not go by you too hard because you don't worth it. But me realize it's me you have strength for. The amount of people who came out on you with your dress, you never answer to none of them. But true, you know, say me a big deal, you answer me. Me see your headline, I know say me a chat too. This is 40 years, me know say you not blood clot catcher. Cause the way you bring here my place, and you catch fucking diabetes. So you ain't gonna catch my 40 years. So you gotta sit down and watch me. You understand? The eye of the monkey climber, I'm more exposed. So sit down on YouTube and Facebook and pay your federal and state tax out of that blood clot. And pay your social security out of it. Because they're not drawing it out of it. You just get a free little money and that is it. So you left me and my 40. I'm not gonna go too hard enough. Because you don't worth it. Because my boyfriend tell me say don't answer you. I don't answer the now, but me just here to tell you. Proud of my 40 years. When me I live my easy life, you struggle, bitch. Don't start me up. Go on your ways. And me come over your gala country because it's a free speech. So since as me come interfere with you, I am going to take the easy way out and say what me have to say. So I'm done with you. Proud American. You just come here. You have a long way to go. You can never catch me. You can never ever catch me. So you make sure say anything you do. You make sure say you get one tax man and you pay your blood clot taxes in this country. You make sure you go pay your state and your federal and your social security. Me in this country, I work from me 17 years old. And I have what me have. And all me have to do now, me live for me. All me have to do is sit down and relax. Me have my benefit to collect. You understand? You ain't got none. You just come here. You're not, I don't even think you get a green card me on yet. And you come here and drop order. I thought you leave that fucking mentality where you have, that non-emancipated mentality where you have at Jamaica. You now go work here. Then the statement the way you have, you now go work here. Because you can't barely walk and move, so you can see what you can do. So sit there. All you're going to do, you're going to sit there on the computer, sit there and chat fuckery, and collect your money. And you don't have no taxes, no insurance. Because you don't qualify for insurance yet. And you need to go that. I mean, no, say I know that somebody find affidavit of support to bring you come here. Yes. Unless your son put you on the insurance for the army. That's the only thing. So try your best. I don't know if mama can go on insurance. I know a wife can go on it. So people that we have experience. Mama can go on the army insurance for insurance. Our only wife. So make sure they have to go a doctor. Make sure they pay the doctor money. When the people that we have the army people there, mama can go on the insurance. Because I know a wife and children. So just make sure so those important issue. Dentist money, GYN money, and all them something there. I want it for free this you can't get here yet. Because green card you come on. And anybody file affidavit of support for you, you know, are they responsible. So you can't shut up your mouth and put headline 40 years America. I know where you're at.
In 2 miles, use the left lane to take exit 46 towards Sisson Avenue.
You say what me say? And the truth, Bonio. Me give you one of the best criticism out here. So me not gonna go too hard by you. Because me have sense. Because me just sit down and watch the ride. Because me not ask you. You have to blood clot apologize to me one of them day. Me not ask you. You have to take back every fucking thing where you say. Me not ask you. Me say the higher the monkey climb, I'm more than exposed. So you say since that's me, come over there, come criticize, me I can take it easier. Me not gonna go too hard. I ain't gonna go too hard. You understand? I ain't gonna go too hard. I'm gonna be nice. And me come over there can interfere with the frog. Just like your people can interfere with me. You understand? So since that's me come over here, me say what me say, and me not take it back. But me only tell you what the 40 years get me at. 40 years I'm gonna live comfortable. Me not ask you, me living comfortable, no watch no face. Me get to where me supposed to get already. You understand? Me plant, and me have me corn, and me breadfruit, and me banana for reap. You just come here. And you ain't gonna live here because you can't manage her. And you have to go up and look at work to pay taxes. Let's see, I got pen money till tomorrow morning. Let's see. I'm gonna sit back and relax. The song says, if I'm too high, Lord,
in half a mile, use the left lane to take exit 46 towards Sisson Avenue.
Let's sing a song of you. If I'm too high, Lord, bring me down.
Use the left lane to take exit 46.
In my life, I want you to remove it out of my way. And that's the song that I sing for you. I feel song that you for singing. If I'm too high, Lord, bring me down. Let me sing it one more time. I said if I'm too high. Give me some thumbs up, people. Give me some thumbs up with that song. That's all I said to her. If I'm too high, Lord, bring me down. America, if I'm too high, Lord, bring me down.
At the light, turn right onto Sisson Avenue.
If there is something in my life, I want you to remove it out of my way. If I'm too high,
turn right onto Farmington Avenue.
Bring me down. That's what I sing for you. Me I sing it because you can't sing. So me I sing it for you. Me I sing it for you because you cannot sing. You can't sing to save your life. So I am singing it for you. So me I do you a favor and I'm singing it for you. If I'm too high, Lord, bring me down. If I'm too high, Lord, bring me down.
Take the next right onto Farmington Avenue.
If there is something in your life, I want God to remove it. Those boastiness and show off and bragful out of your way. If you're too high, Lord, bring Donner down. I said if Donner too high, Lord, bring her down.
At the light, turn left onto Woodland Street.
If Donner is too high, Lord, bring her down. If there is something in her life,
continue on Woodland Street for
I want you to remove it out of her way. If she's too high, Lord, bring her down. Amen. That's all me I say to you. Me not have nothing more to say to you on the child. Let me take off a GPS so it drive me crazy. Me not have nothing more. I mean, come back and interfere with the rock, so me not go no further. Me not have time to waste the time for you. Honey, you're here. You see. 40 years in this America. I'm living in America so long and look like me and still striving. Lord, I'm telling you. Some of Jamaican and Indian them a bum. Bum. Crackhead and bum and they on road a beg. Me see them every day a beg $1 on road out of money and crackhead. So if me there look like this and still a strive and I go to enjoy myself and I travel the world, me alright. So keep on talking. You're here now. You know that jam down. So you come up here with the same 40 years business and the same stagnant business. Wait. You get to China. I don't even think I get a green card yet. Yeah. I mean, and I know somebody put in affidavit of support. Me not ask you. You don't qualify for no benefit yet. And you see when it come to medical, you don't qualify for that yet. So me not while you. Because I know say whenever I spoke about you, it strike you more than anybody else. Because you know my statement to him is always right. Me not go to hard play because me can't go on upon you, but it don't make no sense. Because you hear some bad man and grudgeful. I mean a bad man and grudgeful. So me alright. Me alright in my 40 years. Me just God bless America. I'm just glad to be here, honey. Me have what forget. Me put my time in here. You don't put no time. You just reap. You ain't sowing shit. So me not go hard, because everybody knows I can't go hard. Me just go left you to time. He said time is the master. Me just so sing the song for you. If I'm too high, Lord bring it down. Yes, my dear, talk to you. And put some common sense. You know you. That's all. That is it. Where is the wrenchers them? If you take off them people off of the page. Where is the wrenchers them? Me if you come off of the woman back now, then I will tell her to go write up headline. About 40 years in America, I don't have nothing. I don't have my chauffeur. Then I would tell her to go drop out. She not could have look how much people talk about her dress and her gala. Eh? Fuck you, you pussy clot. Go suck your blood clot, man, bitch. Fuck you. If she never want me answer, her bumbo blood clot will not come right up on the page because all of the bloggers them talk about her and she never can answer them. And me she a pussy clot trend for because me a blood clot big deal. Because she know when she answer me she'll get all of views more than anything else. And me is our biggest blood clot competition out here. Anytime when you hear Marcia answer on blood clot antenna turn up, when you know say pussy clot money, look how much bitch ass listen to me, Observe on TV people, go over there go report her page for me please. The video what she did last night, a woman come over there and said me need a bullet in my head. Go and report the video. It's all over social media. I am asking all my members only, go and report her video to YouTube for violence. We need more people. We need to take it down. Please and go Observe on TV. Go over there and report her page. Last night the video was she had 700. She never gets too much blood clot view. Only when they call Marcia name. Go over there and go report it. Me not stop until that video come down. That pussy clot video have to come down. You not make no blood clot money off of that bitch. You not make no money off of it. The store like already with them bumbo clot place and I can't close early. What me pussy? My place I can't. What me I tell you? Me just love New York City.